It was recently revealed that 5-time Grammy Award winner Ricky Marin had a restraining order put out against him. It went through at the start of July, the person requesting the order saying that they had been in a relationship with Ricky for 7 months, and after the breakup, Ricky was not happy about it and had been spotted on multiple occasions stalking around the person's property. Ricky and his brother said that none of the allegations were true and they were going to fight for justice in the court date that was set to take place today. Well, the case has happened, so let's run through a recap of the situation and then the overview of what happened in court today. So as I've already said, the protection order went through earlier this month underneath Puerto Rico's domestic violence law. A newspaper publication said that the order stated that Ricky Marin and the person filing the order had dated for 7 months before breaking up around 2 months ago. Apparently, Ricky was not happy about the separation and had been seen hanging around their home. A quote from the order saying, "The petitioner fears for his safety." The rules laid out in the order prevented Ricky from contacting and calling the person, and that a judge will later determine whether the order needs to remain in place or can be lifted, adding that orders are usually put in place for around a month. It was also noted that the person filing it did not go to police with the claims, as this would have required prosecutors determining if there was sufficient evidence. Instead, this case went straight through to the court. When the story broke, a representative for Ricky Marin said the following: "The allegations against Ricky Marin that led to a protection order are completely false and fabricated. We are very confident that when the true facts come out in this matter, our client Ricky Marin will be fully vindicated." As we now know, the person making the allegations turned out to be Ricky Marin's own nephew, Dennis Sanchez, the son of Ricky's stepsister. In response to the situation, Ricky Marin himself said, "The protection order entered against me is based on completely false allegations, so I will respond through the judicial process with the facts and the dignity that characterize me. Because it is an ongoing legal matter, I cannot make detailed statements at this time. I am grateful for the countless messages of solidarity and I receive them with all my heart." The court date was set for July 21st, and that's today. So what happened? Fortunately for Ricky, it seems that he and his brother who defended him were telling the truth, as they have won the case. The 21-year-old nephew who had made the accusations withdrew his claim, the judge dismissing the temporary restraining order that had gone into place around a week ago. Ricky apparently appeared in court via Zoom, a very common practice for court cases nowadays, especially those that are taking place between people in separate countries. Ricky's legal team said, "Just as we had anticipated, the temporary protection order was not extended by the court. The accuser confirmed to the court that his decision to dismiss the matter was his alone, without any outside influence or pressure, and the accuser confirmed he was satisfied with his legal representation in the matter. The request came from the accuser asking to dismiss the case. This was never anything more than a troubled individual making false allegations with absolutely nothing to substantiate them. We are glad that our client saw justice done and can now move forward with his life and his career." So it looks like everything was settled because of the nephew's own decision to back out. I find it interesting that they said he made the decision without any outside influence or pressure, likely Ricky's legal team wanting to shut down any rumors that may pop up about them potentially paying the accuser hush money or pressuring him in some other way to back off. People on Twitter already saying things like, "Wonder how much #Ricky Marin paid his nephew to withdraw this claim." As was said by Ricky's legal team and Ricky's own brother, the nephew apparently has suffered from mental health issues for a long time and allegedly caused a lot of grief for the family. So it is possible that the accusations may have come out of the nephew being in a bad place mentally, and then realizing the reality of the situation and withdrawing his claims. Other people on social media have come out to show their support for Ricky and their belief in his innocence, saying things like, "I knew Ricky Marin was innocent," and "That was quick, Ricky Marin should sue his nephew back." Ricky would have been facing around 50 years in prison if the claims went through and were somehow proven, so I'm sure he and his team are breathing a sigh of relief that this was solved quickly and easily. As of right now, this is all the information that I have for you, but I'll be sure to keep you updated if anything else comes out. I've been your host, Woody. Join us next time for more.